In this video, I'll show you how to make a super flat world in both Minecraft Java and Minecraft Bedrock. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And now let's go and jump straight into this guide. We'll start off this guide by showing you how to make a flat world on Minecraft Bedrock. So you can go and get Minecraft Bedrock on computer, console, and mobile as well. So in order to go and make a flat world, you need to go and tap on play. Then once you're going to tap on play, all you then need to do is go and press on create new underworlds, just like so. Then once again, you need to go and press on create new world. At the top, it's going to give you a ton of templates, but you want to go and create a super flat world. So press on create new world. Then this is going to vary a little bit, I think, depending on what device you're using. Either you need to go under your settings on the left hand side, and there's going to be a play button, tap on play, and then you need to go and look for world type. And under world type, it's going to be set to infinite. Click on infinite, and then you can go and tap on super flat or flat. Now, if you're using Bedrock on a computer, then what you need to do is come to the left hand side and go and press advanced. And then what you can do is go and locate flat world, a completely flat world stretching into the distance. You can then go and switch that on just like so. And as you can see, we can't go and earn achievements. Then we can come back to general just like so, and then we can go and press on create, and the game is going to load, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I've just spawned in, and here we are. As you can see, everything is super flat, and there's a few chickens, but there aren't any trees or anything like that. And there we go. Now I'll show you how to do it on Java. If you're using Minecraft Java, then let's get into this. So all you need to do is go and tap on single player, and then go and tap on create new world, and it's going to say preparing for world creation. Then here we are on the create new world screen. So all you want to do is go and tap on more world options in the bottom right, and then you'll have this option for world type, and all you want to do is tap on it, and then it's going to go and say super flat, and you can also go and customize this super flat world. So what you can do is go and change the layer material, which is quite cool. You can't do this on Minecraft Bedrock. So if I go and tap on presets, then we can go and change what it's going to be as well, which is really cool. So we've got Tunneler's Dream, so this is going to go and make it a bit deeper. So if you just want classic flat, then press on use preset, then go and press done, and then we can go and create this new world, and you can go and switch through these other options as well, but I want super flat. Then press create new world, and I'll show you what it looks like. And here we are, I've just spawned in, and as you can see, we've got all these slimes, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.